Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Discord quick fix step by step clearly. To start using Discord, begin by visiting the official Discord website. Download the application for your operating system. Once the download is complete, install the application by following the prompts. After installation, open Discord to create an account. You can either sign up with an email address or log in with an existing account. If you choose to sign up, fill in your email, username, and password. Confirm your email address by checking your inbox and clicking the verification link. Once logged in, you will see the Discord interface with your home screen. To join or create a server, locate the plus icon on the left sidebar. If you want to create a new server, select the Create My Own option. Choose whether it's for you and your friends or a community. If you prefer to join an existing server, select Inside a server, explore different channels on the left sidebar. Text channels are used for messaging, while voice channel, to send a message, click on the text channel and type your message in the input box at the bottom. To start a voice chat, click on a voice channel, and you will automatically join it. Invite friends to your server by clicking on the server name at the top and selecting Invite People. Adjust your account settings by clicking the user settings icon at the bottom left. In user settings, you can customize your profile, notifications, and privacy settings. To mute or deafen yourself in a voice channel, use the buttons at the bottom of the screen. To leave a voice channel, click the disconnect button. Explore server features like roles and permissions to manage users effectively. For security, enable two-factor authentication in your account settings. Use Discord's built-in search feature to find messages and users quickly. Finally, familiarize yourself with the Discord community guidelines to ensure a positive experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.